I'm Jeff Salvino with the Daily Salvo. According to an Associated Press poll, 52% of voting-age Americans believe Barack Obama doesn't deserve a second term in the White House. But here's the problem. This 52% represents the portion of the population that only votes once. To make a long story short, by November 6, 2012, the 52% that currently stand against Mr. Obama need to somehow morph into a majority closer to 62% if there's any chance of countering the serial voter fraud that many suspect goes on in presidential elections, in favor, of course, of the Democrat candidate. For more, visit dailysalvo.com.